Hello everyone. Because the interface of Hydro One, Hydro ONE Lite, and Hydro Door after connecting to Home Assistant via ZHA is very similar. This video will use Hydro One as an example to introduce the compatible functions. You can download the latest ZHA scripts and tutorials from our official website. This video skips the script import step and starts directly from adding the device. Once connected, first is the controls panel, where you can turn the valve on or off manually. Second is the sensors panel, showing water usage duration and volume. It displays data for the last hour. Click here to view the watering history for a longer period. Third is the configuration panel. Here you can switch the display units. With manual default, you can preset whether manual watering uses timing or volume mode, along with specific parameters. Please remember, since Hydro ONE Lite lacks a flow meter, it only supports timing mode. For rain delay, first set your desired duration, then press the button to activate it. This will skip schedules within that time frame. Next are smart schedules. Hydro One and Hydro ONE Lite support up to 6 sets, while Hydro Door supports 12 in total. For example, let's set a timed watering schedule starting July 7th, running on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, at 11:30 a.m. for 45 minutes. Schedules run on timing or volume modes. But again, Hydro ONE Lite only supports timing. Seasonal adjustment allows you to set specific multiplier rates for different months. Once set, the total water volume and duration will automatically execute by multiplying your original settings with these rates. Finally, turning on the child lock will disable local buttons. The fourth panel is diagnostic. It displays the battery level and includes exception alerts for low battery, water shortage, and leakage. That is all for today. Thank you for watching.